So this is a walking meditation, a mindful exercise. And the tips that we go through during this, you can apply anytime during the course of your day when you're going from A to B. So even if it's for a minute or 2 minutes, just applying these principles to take you out of the brain, out of the situation, back into the present, so you can take a break and go back in fresh into the next moment. So just walking at a pace, at a rhythm of your own. It may be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That kind of count. Find a rhythm. And what we're going to do is, when we're doing that, is apply breath to it. So if you imagine almost 4 parts of your body: the lower belly below the navel, the juice of your belly around the navel, the third part being your chest and your ribs. So think about flaring the ribs out underneath your armpits, the chest coming forward, and even the shoulder blades. And then the top part being the collarbone, where you kind of slightly pin the shoulders back, just opening up the chest and making way for the breath to come through. And when you breathe out, you'll be breathing out in that reverse order. Imagine a balloon. A nice vision and imagery to have is a balloon. So a ballooning effect from the lower part as the diaphragm drops, the lungs take in oxygen, you'll be able to access that lower part of your body and start to make space for the breath to come in. Think less about clinging onto the breath that you're breathing, but more that the breath can just enter through some subtle movements of the body. So this would be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? Breathing into the lower part, second, third, fourth, and then breathing out in reverse. Now we're going to breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 8. So when you're walking, it will be a bit like this. So breathing in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathing out for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2. Breathing out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, breathing out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue in your own time. You can then experiment with even a gap after the inhale before you're exhaling out. The aim is to make the exhale longer than your inhale. Okay. The other thing to do while you're walking, third tip there. So the first is actually to find a rhythm. The second is to breathe. So find your counts, apply your 4-part breath to that, making the longer the exhale longer than the inhale. And then the third part is to actually, what are you looking at? So rather than being in the brain, as you're walking, kind of mentally label the things that you're seeing along the way, whether you're able to look out a window as you're walking, or whether you see the floor, or you notice something on the wall, whatever it may be. But as you're walking, you are looking exactly at where you're at in that moment of time. You're taking in the objects and you're almost naming those objects as you walk. If you need to, you can literally verbalize it, like, okay, that's the window, that's the floor. And it really is it might sound silly, but it's a very effective way of bringing yourself into the here and now and taking a breather. The brain needs a break, small pauses just during activity in the day. It just goes a long way to be able to keep drawing back before continuing to the next moment, especially in long periods of intensity and day after day. So those pauses in the day, it really, really helps. Fourth tip, feeling the feet. feeling the feet as you walk, almost heel to toes as you walk. Feel the ground underneath you and feel the tips of the shoulders, just kind of getting in touch with the body as you're walking. The best way to do that is to make that connection between the feet and the floor. The feet and the floor. So, number 1, find a rhythm. Number 2, 4-part breath, breathing in and exhaling, but exhaling for longer. Do those counts that you found your rhythm. Number 3, observing objects and maybe mentally saying them to yourself. And number 4, being able to really feel the feet underneath you as you walk.